Okay, you've finally done it as a gamer. You've destroyed your friend in Mario Kart. You threw a blue shell at him at the last moment. You finally got that epic Pikachu costume that you've hunted for over 200 hours. You have obliterated the Splatoon 3 squad that's been talking about your mother. So what do you want to do with all that information? Save it in screenshots. Or maybe record that video, upload it on social media, and get some clout. But what's beyond that? Surely there's something more fun and commemorative to such an occasion. Of course, it's called printing. And today I am very happy to share that Fujifilm has made the Instax Mini Link 2 in a special Nintendo edition, which comes in this unique white. And what it basically does is that you can send screenshots or video to this printer and have it printed out. So basically you just need to get your smartphone in hand, download the Instax Mini Link app for Nintendo and set it up in the settings. Just press the button here to hold and get it to pairing mode within the app, and you're pretty much good to go. So from your Nintendo Switch, all you have to do is go to your album, choose what you want to share, and use the QR code share feature on the Switch. Then use your phone to scan those codes within the app, and it'll get sent over. And don't forget to put paper in the printer first, yeah? From there, you can customize with special Nintendo stickers, or even choose a specific frame from your video to print out as an image. I also have the original first generation Instax Link here with me, and these two are actually quite different, although they use the same paper. So the main difference here is that the Link 2 has a special AR pointer which gets picked up by your phone's camera when you're in the app once again, and stickers will appear when you point towards it. So you move it in that motion, you're pretty much drawing a circle around yourself. You can also use your finger to draw on your phone screen if you simply don't have the space to move around like this. Printing literally just takes seconds, and they always come out sharp and colorful because the Instax Mini Link 2 uses the sublimation method, which is very conventional and very practical. So you don't have to get worried whether your photos will come out smudged or blurry. Who is this for? It costs 588 ringgit and a pack of 10 films costs 37 ringgit. I think right out the bat, I would say it's for those looking for a little fun in their printing related lives. I would say that this is a good pick for anyone who already doesn't own an instant photo printer. This could be your first. And it's also great for Nintendo collectors who really want everything Nintendo related, as this collab, I personally feel, is rather special, and it definitely rocks. Thank you guys for watching. This has been the Instax Mini Link 2 Special Nintendo Edition. I'll see you guys in the next video.